Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so Taurus people, let's check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have got Two of Cups. This is your current energy, Taurus, and this is your partner's current energy. Okay. So with this card, Two of Cups, it seems like Taurus, you are meeting with somebody who shares the same emotions as you. Okay, perhaps you have got the person which is compatible for you in terms of emotion, or perhaps there is a meeting I'm seeing for between two people, you and the other person, and this meeting is completely based on emotional attachments, completely based on emotions. You are sharing your heart with that person, they are sharing their heart with you, so it's like a mutual agreement, mutual connection. Okay, apart from this, let's see what is the current energy of your partner. Strength. Your person is posing them as somebody who has a lot of courage and guts to do certain things in life. Okay, this person is calm and poised. This person has a lot of peace of mind in their own head. They are not someone who takes any kind of decision in hustle bustle, so you need to be rest assured that this person is way mature than you think. Okay, this person has the power and the magic to turn the table. This person has all the best tricks or remedies to turn their opponent into their favor. Okay, so this person has a lot of courage, a lot of guts. It seems like some of you must be dealing with Leo with this card. Okay, now let's see what you feel about them, or how do you see them, how did they see you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. All right, what do you think about them? What they think about you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is in a dreamland. Okay, according to you, this person is living in their dreams. Okay, this person must be dreaming about something. It could be anything. It could be you, it could be their current passion, it could be their current job, or perhaps job or career which they always wanted to have in their life. Okay, so according to you, this person is someone who always keeps on dreaming and dreaming. Okay, now let's see what your person thinks about you. The Creator. All right, so with this card, your person sees you as somebody who has all the power and knowledge. Okay, who is someone who never say no to the other person. You have all the solution, you have all the answers of all the questions. So they see you as someone who has immense knowledge, okay, immense experience in life. Okay, so you are somebody, according to them, is a creator. Okay, either you create path for your own self, or either you create path for the person who comes under your guidance. Okay, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Postponement. It seems like Taurus, you are postponing a lot of things. Okay, you must be thinking about certain situations in past, and from then till now onwards, you are keep on postponing few things. And if I talk about your actions towards this particular person, you are still postponing something. Perhaps you want something big, you want something else in life. That's why you are postponing to take any action towards this person. Okay, now let's see what action your person is taking towards you. The burden. Your person is feeling overburdened. Your person is feeling that it's them who has to put all their work to get to be in your life, to get in touch with you. So somewhere or the other, this person is feeling overburdened. This person feels that it's me who always put my whole heart and efforts, but Taurus is someone who is not looking at me or looking at my efforts. So this kind of a feeling is overburdening them. Okay, perhaps they want to take some action towards you, or they must be taking some actions towards you, but something is there which perhaps I think they are little worried, or I would say they are little depressed with this behavior which you do or which you pose towards them. Okay, let's see what future is holding for both of you. Three of Wands. All right, it seems like it's you, Taurus, who is ready to take action, who has, you know, who has done all the homework to be in this person's life. But yes, something is there which is stopping you. It could be your own personal commitments, it could be your own professional commitments, it could be anything. There are certain responsibilities on your head which you cannot ignore. Okay, so at this point of time, as I told you, that you are postponing things. So this could be one of the reasons that you are postponing, you are waiting for the right time to take the right action, even though you are completely ready to move into their direction, but still you need assurance about something. Only then you will be able to move ahead. Okay, all right. So Taurus, in this reading, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with Leo. We have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and yes. Okay, so Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.